Hey everyone, I have this Samsung Chromebook. Obviously the screen is damaged. I have it up on my test screen here. I've been trying to get it to, I guess, somewhat boot. I've tried a bunch of things I've noticed online. I've tried Control Shift Alt R. I've tried the escape refresh power button. I've tried power button with reset button under the laptop. Whenever I do all of those, this is the screen I get. I guess this is, the person's screensaver or whatever it was before. Like you can see, it is doing stuff. The mouse moves. I've got it to the next screen once, so I'm not sure if it's like some corruption of the OS or the operating system or what. But any advice would be great on this. I've read somewhere you can do a recovery, but you need a backup or an image of a backup to get it to recover. So, and now obviously I don't have one of these. I just got this in a lot of scrap I picked up. So any advice on how to get this to go to the next screen would be wonderful. It is a, do I have the cover with me? No, I don't, but it's a Samsung Chromebook. I'll show you it under. So what it looks under the reset button is like right there. I don't see anything else wrong with it. So I'm guessing it has something to do with the OS being corrupt or something. So any advice would be appreciated. Thanks.